Do not buy single family homes. If it's got one door, live in it. Don't own it. I know some of you hate that story.
My mama sold my daddy's house because she couldn't keep it. She did the responsible thing. She didn't know how to produce income, so she got rid of my daddy's dream house. Sold it the same week, got rid of it. Got rid of it. Didn't want to, but couldn't keep it. She did the right thing. So we had to move to this little brick house, a little brick house across from a prison. Say it again, what was it? She's like, it's a school. It was a prison. So it looks like a prison, drive by a school. Okay, drive by your public school. So I'm like, that looks like a prison. 1,400 square foot house, 5 kids and 2 adults. 7 people living in a 1,400 square foot house, and I thought it was big.
The house I live in today, we rent. I rent where I live. Does anyone in the room feel bad about me now? Like, Grant is a loser because Grant rents. I rent where I live, and I own 5,000 apartments that pay me every month. If you don't figure out how to earn money when you sleep, you'll die working.